Good afternoon again, Don Krzyzanowski, Tiffin Motorhomes. We're here in beautiful South Carolina, Myrtle Beach at our Allegro Club Rally. I would love to introduce the 2026 Allegro Bay. I want to tell you a few things that we've changed from 25 to 26 and also some things that are very special about our Super C. The number one thing is we build this coach in the same plant that I build Faden and Allegro bus. So she gets a lot of her big brother diesel DNA in this SR2 chassis. That's just an awesome thing. We try to take all that high-end building ability we do and bring it right down into our Super C. So this year we've got a new front cap. As you see, a large window. So whoever's up there, that cap feels a lot bigger with the bigger automotive style window. It still is a one-piece molded fiberglass, just like our little Mercedes Wayfarers. One-piece fiberglass front cap to go along with our one-piece molded fiberglass roof, just like the Big Brother Allegro bus. As we move around, side cameras, large 30-inch door, just like our Class A motorhomes. This coach actually happens to be with the black wheels and the midnight paint, so it's our midnight edition. It is the 38AB, so it's a single bath. As we walk around, some of the changes we've done this year besides the front cap is all of our TVs now are on a swivel. You guys have been asking for it, so we made sure that we can put this on a swivel so everybody can see, or you can cut down on that glare. That's an awesome thing. We really do try to listen. Cargo bays. One thing I'd love to show you about our cargo bays is the aircraft aluminum cargo bays that you can close every one within 2 inches. I just love those. But now if you look in our cargo bays, there's no carpet. It's all rhino lined. You can put whatever you want in there. You have pass-through storage. There's your ladder. There's your extra tile, because this does come with porcelain tile inside. So we do give you about 8 of them. So in case you drop a pickle jar or something like that and break a tile, you can have it replaced. So that's pretty cool. As we move around, all of our slides this year, we've gone back to HWH. So every slide is all hydraulic HWH. As we look here, you have your Dirt Devil. So you'll have your kick plate inside, or you can plug in to clean inside. As we move around, when you get to midnight package, what's really cool is we blacked out all your logos. Aluminum bottom of our slide. This is a 5-piece slide. Everything is laminated, no wood substrate. Our fiberglass has a Asdel backing. We do use a upgraded fiberglass on our coaches, where if you look, you can see the complexion looks beautiful. I think all of our paint jobs are beautiful, and as you see, because of the insulation factors and what we do with this coach, we are not scared to do a black base coach. And yeah, come on to Florida, Texas, Arizona. I promise you I can keep you cool. As we move around, as I showed you, logos, all your door handles, your mirrors, everything's blacked out. Extra cargo bays. You have your transfer switch back here, which is also your surge guard, so everything is protected. Now, if you do have one that you put in line, we still recommend that, all the protection you can get. Just more cargo bays. As you see, we try to give you storage everywhere. One thing we're known for in our Class A's, massive storage, raised platforms in those. Inside, we've built all of our cabinetry in-house. The two things that really shine about us is we are a true manufacturer, and we give you as much storage because we are the #1 brand out there that people full-time in, so we know you bring a lot of stuff. Another change for 26 is your brake sync. So if you want to put your Air Force One on, that is standard now. It was not on there last year, it is on there this year. And I think we have a pretty impressive rear cap on the Allegro Bay. As we move around, this back compartment will have your AquaHot 250. So that's your hydronic heating, so that will be all your heating, all your hot water. So the hydronic AquaHot 250. Even the pipes, they used to be chrome, now they're blacked out in the blacked out edition. Allegro Bay running 2 airs, 15,000 with heat pumps. You have a 8,000 watt generator. This compartment will give your electric cord reel, and this is where we put your whole house water filtration system. So you can change that once a year and have the cleanest water out of any campground. Even the back of the washer dryer used to be chrome, now it's blacked out. Man, I love those black wheels. We even give you access to the back of your fridge. So plenty of access to get in there, turn the water on and off for your winterizing and or turning your ice cube tray on. Your wet bay, pretty clean. Again, what I tell you guys, love these doors. Wow. As we move around, this is just the other side for the Rhino line cargo bays. Obviously we have your induction, because this is an all-electric, does come standard propane. This is an all-electric build, so you have your aqua hot and then you have your induction. That's your cookware up there. And now we don't put a ladder on the back. We do have a bracket up there, and you have your extended aluminum ladder. Oh my goodness, I slammed that, didn't I? 2000 watt inverter, your disconnects right here, very accessible. Again, no carpet in those bays. And I slammed it again. So battery compartment, what's pretty cool about this is very easy access. Those are extended cycle gel batteries, or you can do a lithium upgrade if you want, and we do have options for the solar panels. Something that's pretty cool I want to show you up here, obviously your DEF, here's your plug-in for your engine block. But look at this. One hand that I can open this. It's on a shock assist. Look how easy that is to be able to get in there and do your own maintenance if you want to. 30% larger windshield, so if you like, let's go inside and I'll show you everything that's new inside. Welcome inside. So as you look, large front cap. AC vents up top. Your kids, grandkids are gonna love to stay nice and cool while you guys roll down the road. If you look up in here in the cockpit, new smart wheel this year, so all your controls are on the steering wheel, everything's within reach. What we've done this year also is the new seat coverings. We kind of made it a little classier. We've notched out this area here, so if you're a taller gentleman or ma'am, you'd be able to get your seat to go all the way back. That's just a nice feature that we rolled into 2026. You do have an awning outside. It is censored, so it will come in if the wind gets pretty heavy in an area that you're at. So if you look, decor, we've changed the decor. This is the Mitchell fabrics that are on our new furniture. This is the optional theater seats. It does come standard with a sofa. That is standard booth that breaks down into sleeping. We also do have a bar style dinette where you guys can sit out and look out that window at your favorite campsite, or we'll do our traditional computer workstation that allows you to work on the road. Don't know why you're working on the road, you should be retired, right? And over here will be our sofa with our pull-out air mattress. Galley, I love this galley in the AB because it does give you a lot of area to be able to prepare. We do have covers that go on there. Optional dishwasher, that's pretty nice. This is sandstone. I think it's very classy. We also do white linen and we do platinum, so we have 3 wood choices, to make you smile. If you come on back here, nice size pantry. Nice drawers, just like his big brothers. Everything is all real wood, slow close doors and drawers. One-piece fiberglass shower miser. Now, this coach here has 12,000 pulling. We have a 150 gallon water tank, but still having that shower miser where you can turn on your valve, let it get to the ambient temperature. That goes from blue to gray. You're ready to take a shower and you're not wasting any water. We do have a really nice half bath. This also closes off the bedroom. Maybe take a peek at that. King bed option. This does have the optional washer dryer, but if you look here, the washer dryer we've stacked side by side, so that's pretty cool. Trying to maximize our space and give you all the pull-out storage you can in a 38-foot coach, and a nice closet. You also have ample storage under the bed. Again, that's your hydraulic systems inside. Every slide on this coach is all hydraulic, HWH, that ties into your jacks. As you look, the new tiles, this year kind of mimic what we're doing in the Class A. So again, one thing I want to leave you with is she has so much DNA of her big brothers, Faden and Bus. Hope you enjoyed.